Namaste and welcome to Ameyo. The human mind is like a pendulum. It is always oscillating. Sometimes you'll find it in the past and at other times in the future. It is rarely ever in the present moment. Life, on the other hand, happens in the present moment. It is the here and now. Yogis say that life force or vital energy is available to us when we are in the present. However, most of the times we are imagining stuff, and that is when we end up losing a lot of this life force. That is why, when we think a lot, we may find ourselves mentally drained out, exhausted. Knowing this is one thing, but to be able to be in the present is another. Therefore, we need a technique, a tool to stay in the present moment. The breath is one such tool. The breath helps us be in the present moment, and the mind can easily be taken to the breath because the mind can relate to the breath. The breath is always moving just like the mind. There's one thing that the breath can offer to the mind though, and that is silence or quietude. The breath is a silent operator, and the mind can take inspiration from it. So in today's video, we will learn a technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra to anchor the mind into the present moment using the breath. So if you're ready, you could kindly get onto your mats and sit either in a cross-legged or half lotus posture like I am sitting. And if you cannot do that, you can always take a chair. Now make sure your spine is erect, your shoulders are rolled back, a gentle smile on your face, and with this you can slowly and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking your attention to the nostrils and feel the breath touching the nostrils as you breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. We are activating our sense of touch here, feeling the breath, feeling the air touch the nostrils as it moves in and out. Once your attention is established at the nostrils, follow the breath in as you inhale and escort it out as you exhale. Following the breath in as you inhale and escorting it out as you exhale. And as you do that, see if you can let go of control over your breath. Allow the breath to move in and out by itself, without your intervention, without any control from your end. Just become completely passive about the breathing process, as if you have no role to play here. You are the silent witnesser that witnesses the breath moving in and out. And now try to take your attention to the point where the inhale dies and the exhale is born, to the point where the inhale meets the exhale inside the body. Take your time to do that. Follow the breath in, and as soon as the inhale is about to end, try to notice a short pause, the point where the breath changes its course. It makes a U-turn and begins its outward journey, and rest your complete attention at this point. Good. Now can you also take your attention to the point where the exhale ends and the inhale originates outside the body. Taking our attention to the point where the exhale ends and the inhale begins outside the body. Your complete attention is at the two end points where the breath changes its course and makes a U-turn. Treat this as a game of ping pong. The breath is the ball, and the point where the ball meets the bat is where the breath changes its course. But also know that you are not participating in this game. You are sitting in the audience, watching this game as a spectator. So let go of any control that you have over your breath and just witness this move in and out. Breathing happens involuntarily. Trust the body to breathe by itself while you continue to watch the endpoints of the breath. breath moves from one end to the other and back. If the mind wanders, just gently bring it back to the point where the inhale merges with the exhale and where the exhale merges with the inhale. And now you can continue with your practice, or you could return to the body by gently opening your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation practice. Let us know how you felt while practicing this meditation in the comment section. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, Namaskar.